Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this bodycon skirt. So if you're interested, please watch to the end. And if you're new here, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Also turn on the notification bell icon so you get notified when I post a new video. And to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys. Without further ado, let's get this video started. So guys, you need the following material for this project. You need a stretchy fabric. As you can see in the video, the one I'm working with is a very stretchy fabric, though it stretches only one direction. So that part that stretches more is where I'm going to use for my horizontal measurement. That is my hip circumference. Okay, and now you need the scissors, marking tubes, then you need tape measure and ruler. Then the next thing is to fold your fabric into two using your hip circumference divided by 2. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get the actual measurement I need for this project. Okay, remember that we are going to have only one seam, so all our measurements is going to be divided into 2, not into 4 this time, into 2, so that the seam will be at the back. Then I've gone ahead and draw all my horizontal lines, my waistline, my hip line, and the length I'm working with. Okay, so for clarity's sake, the length I'm working with is 21 inches, as you can see in the video. I'm trying to show you guys. Then my hip, from my waist to my hip, is 8 inches. That is what I did there. Next, we are going to mark our circumferences. Okay, remember again that we are going to divide our measurement into 2. So your waist, we are going to divide it into 2. Okay, whatever you have there, minus 2 inches from it. Okay, this depends on how stretchy your fabric is, but me, I'm going to minus 2 inches from my waist circumference. Okay, half of my waist circumference, then I'll mark it there. Then I'll come over to my hip. I'll repeat the same thing. My hip divided by 2 minus 2 inches. Okay, then I'm going to mark it there. So after marking it there, I'll go down to the length of this skirt. Okay, then whatever I have in my hip, I'm going to minus the same 2 inches because I want it pencil. Okay, if you don't want it that pencil, you can minus 1 inch, then you mark it there. Next thing is to connect all our markings. Then if you have a French curve ruler or hip curve ruler, then it's best you use it here. I don't have, so I'm using what I have here. Okay, so I'm connecting all my markings, but I'll make sure that at my hip, that sharp edge, I'm going to connect it now. I'm going to curve it nicely. So as you can see in the video, I'm trying to shape that place so that I will avoid the sharp edges there. Then after that, I'm going to pin this thing on. This fabric is a very stretchy fabric, so you need this pin to be able to keep all your markings in place, and when you are sewing it in your sewing machine, you will not have any issue. So but if you can work without pinning it, it's fine. You can just cut it out and take it to your sewing machine and sew it, join it together. Okay, so after cutting it now, as you can see, I added half inches because I want to weave this material. Okay, then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it. But before I go and sew it, I'm going to fold this and keep it aside and cut the waistband. Okay, so I'm going to use the remaining pieces that is left. I think this one is about 3 inches, so I'm going to mark half of my waist circumference because the fabric is on fold. So I'm going to mark half of my waist circumference there. As you can see, I'm measuring the 3 inches. After that, go ahead and connect your markings. and cut it out. But before cutting it out, please confirm that you have the same 3 inches or whatever measurement you are working with. Okay, before cutting it out, confirm it and ensure that is what you mark that you are cutting out. Also, pin your fabric before cutting it out. It will save a lot of stress. Okay, then another thing to note is that your band, the length of your band or the width of your band depend on the length you are working with. That is the length of your skirt you are working with. Okay, if you mark out 2 inches as your band length, then you have to cut 5 inches, then half inches for sewing allowance. So this one, after sewing it, I'm going to have 1 inch as my band length. Okay guys, a quick one. Have you liked this video or have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not, please, what are you waiting for? Please like this video, share it to people that will need it, then subscribe. That is a way of supporting my channel and encourage me to do more. And if you observe anything, please leave it in the comment section. I will appreciate it. Please, a positive one. Okay, so guys, after cutting it, go ahead and open it up. You can see what we have. Then you go ahead and fold it into 2 there, then use your iron and iron it out. Okay, then after ironing it, go ahead and sew your skirt. As you can see, I've sewn mine. Then I'm going to open it up now so you can see what it look like. So you can see I have the seam at the back there. So you can see the skirt is very beautiful now with just 1 seam. It's coming out, right? Yeah. So now we are going to take our band. You can see I ironed my own. I also went ahead and pinned it. So after pinning it, you can see it's 1.5 inches there now. Okay, then after that we are going to take it and join it to our skirt. How I'm going to join it, you can see, just watch the video, you see what I'm doing. I take my skirt and the band, you can see, then I mash it up just to get the actual measurement, because I'm going to reduce it by 1 inch. The actual measurement, I'm going to reduce it by 1 inch because this is a stretchy fabric and I want my waist to be tight. Okay, then after that, just measure it like you see me do. Then grab the 2 edges, together, then you sew it. Okay, after sewing it, look at what I have. Next, open the seam that you just sewed. Open it. You can trim it down if you want, then open it and fold it. Me, if I'm going to my sewing machine, I'm going to trim it down, so I'm just showing you guys how it will look like. Then when you fold it, then you use your pin to hold it down. Then after that, attach it to your skirt. Okay, then you take it to your sewing machine and sew it down. Okay, then after that, we are going to fold the skirt length by ½ inch. Okay, after folding it, this is what I have. You can see the skirt is very beautiful and nice with just 1 seam. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed this video and you also grab 1 or 2 things from it. If you do, please like, share to others that will need it, and also subscribe if you are yet to do so. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I will answer them. I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, so guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.